Hey Nova, it's time for us to help the kids again. Do you want to learn how to solve math problems and explain your thinking? Yeah? Okay, great.
Hey there! Welcome to How to Do That. I'm Miss Green and I'm here to help you learn things. Today we're talking about math and explaining our thinking. Have you ever gotten to a problem and at the end of it, it says, explain your thinking, and immediately you just do one of these? I know what you're thinking. This is math. Why do I have to write in math? There are a lot of good reasons why you have to explain something, and just being a good communicator is one of them. Here we go. I've got 4 simple steps to help you do that. Answer the question, write an I notice statement, tell the steps, and prove it. Let's break down what these 4 steps mean. Number 1, the answer. Simple, just write the answer. Sometimes it's a yes or no. Sometimes it's the name of a character that's written out in the story problem itself. Sometimes it's a number. Make sure you include that answer in a complete sentence. Check! Step 2, I noticed. This is where you have to think about what was going on in your brain when you read the problem. As you read it, were you thinking, I'm gonna have to add and then multiply? Or, this one's gonna be division. Whatever you were thinking, write it down. Remember, it's called explain your thinking. Then we come to step 3, so I. This is where you actually lay out the steps that you did using the numbers and values that are in your problem. So if you added 5 and then divided by 7, write that out. Include those examples. Finally, step 4, prove it. This is where you bring it all back together, putting actual context to that answer you said at the beginning. So if you said, yes, I think it can work, at the end, you should be showing with numbers that the problem can work. Okay, so now that you know the 4 steps, it's your turn. That's right. I see you over there. You're ready. Let's do this. On the next screen, you're gonna see a problem. Pause to read it if you need to. And then I want you to actually try to solve it yourself and get started on those 4 steps. You know what they are. Then continue with the video and I'll be here to walk you through the steps that I did and you can see how we match up. Let's do it. What are you waiting for? Get started.
Now it's time to explain your thinking. Here are the 4 steps. Number 1, answer the problem. Number 2, I notice. Number 3, so I. And number 4, let's prove it. Here we go. Step 1, answer the question. It could be a yes or no. It could be a name. It could be a number. In this case, it's a no. No, they do not have enough apples. So simple. Done. Step 2. I noticed. What did you have to figure out in order to get this problem started? Was it addition? Was it subtraction? Multiplication? Was it division? Well, in this one I noticed addition. So I noticed that I would have to add all the apples to each of the family members so that I could compare it to how much they need. Done. Beautiful. Step 3. So I. What steps did you take to solve the problem? Include math equations. What were my steps? Here you have it. So I added 4 from Mateo, 7 from Jane, and 2 from Ralph. 4 plus 7 plus 2 is 13. So close, we're almost there. Step 4! Prove it. You gotta summarize your findings and restate your answer, tying it all together. Well, I know that 13 is less than 15, so they don't have enough apples. There's my summary.
Easy. Done. You did it. Well, how'd you do? Hopefully you did amazing because you're awesome and you watched this whole video and you learned something. Thank you so much again for watching and I'll see you next time. If you have any ideas on what you think the next video should be about, common struggle of elementary students, let me know. Send me an email. It's right there. We'll see you next time. Thanks for learning with me. I'm here to help. Bye!